Yo, what is going on, guys? It's Scotty Restores Kicks, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to ship out shoes the best way, where you can save money and get a lot of the same clients coming back to you to buy more shoes from you. So, check it out.
All I see is icy, icy. All I see is icy, icy. Scotty Restoring Kicks, and all I see is icy, icy. Whoa.
Alright guys, so let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to know when you're shipping anything online and stuff like that, you want to be professional. You want to show that you take care of your shoes and you're trying to give value to the person you are selling them to. So with that being said, there is a lot of platforms you can sell on. I typically sell on eBay, OfferUp, Let's Go, and a little bit of Facebook Marketplace. Typically though, I love to sell on eBay, and that's probably what I mainly sell on. And I sell the quickest on eBay. Again, so a lot of people just kind of stay away from that because they don't want to do the whole shipping thing. But once you get a system down, it's really not that bad. And I personally like it because I don't have to go drive to meet up with someone and sell the shoes and worry if they're going to scam me or not or any of that. I don't have to worry about that. I just let eBay kind of handle all of that. So I just ship it out, makes it easy. So I'm going to give you guys a little insight on eBay and shipping out and stuff like that. First thing is, again, I want you guys to be as professional as you can, especially if you're a reseller. The biggest thing, ship with priority mail, okay? Don't use things like Parcel Select and stuff like that. Reason why, it's the quickest and it's definitely more professional. It might be a couple more bucks, $2, $3, but the client's gonna love that, or whoever you're selling shoes to is going to love that. They're gonna get it quick. And also, with that being said, you can also use the better boxes, which I'm gonna get into right now. So these boxes right here is all for priority mail, and these are all free, okay? You guys can get over 100 of these for free. You don't even have to pay shipping or anything, and they mail it right to your house, and you have free boxes. So these ones are literally for shoes. The only thing with these is, these will not fit a shoe box. These are literally just for shoes. So you'll see it's like a rectangle. There you go. It's like a rectangle. Now these are just for shoes. Now, that doesn't mean you can't make this into something for shoe boxes and stuff like that, which is actually what I did today. I took 2 of these and I ripped them up, then taped it back together and fit it around a shoe box. That way it could fit it and still in this package. I didn't have to spend any money on buying a box or trying to find a box or any of that. And again, because it's priority, it goes super quick. People are gonna love that because you have fast shipping and stuff like that. Now, just to touch on a little bit of the shipping, when you're doing shipping, let's say you're selling the shoes for $150, and I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of what I noticed. Shipping shoes, it's gonna cost around $10. Now, if you're going to the other coast, wherever you live, the opposite coast, usually it's an extra like $5, so it might hit $15 max. But for the most part, it's about $10. Usually, I typically pay between $8 to $9, because the weight is usually the same between majority of the shoes. They don't vary that much, but a couple ounces. So with that being said, I always have $10 shipping. So let's say I'm selling the shoes for $150. You can do $150 and then $10 shipping. So really, it's like $160, but you're really only going to be getting the $150 because you have to pay that shipping fee. That's that money you're getting for the shipping. However, okay, that's one way you can do it. But the main way I recommend doing is, instead of saying $150 and $10 shipping, is to do $160 with free shipping. Because when people see free shipping, they automatically want to go to that because they're like, oh, I don't want to pay this extra $10, even though it's literally the same. It's the same price. It's going to be $160 at the end of the day, but one says $150 plus $10 shipping, and one says $160 free shipping. Also, in eBay, you can kind of narrow it down to see only free shipping ones. So if you had shipping on yours won't pop up on those people that have clicked free shipping only. So that's another thing. You're not going to hit the whole audience of eBay. So with that being said, I really recommend free shipping, and also put in your description fast shipping, and try to get that out there, guys. Like, as soon as it sells, try to either ship it that day or the next day, depending on what time they buy it at. You want to ship it out quick because people love that. People love quick shipping, and it's gonna build up your page and your following. The next thing you need to do, okay, is buy some business cards. They're not expensive. I have mine right here. Okay, got my business cards right here. Put them in the box. put them in a box, ship it to him. Maybe I'm going to hit him up again because, that was a really good transaction and shoes were great, fast shipping, all of that. Or maybe they'll check out your social media, whatever, okay? Put it in the box. It doesn't cost much. I literally bought 250 cards for $15. Super cheap, guys. And it's really worth it because people are gonna start checking out your stuff, and if they really enjoyed the experience of buying from you, they're gonna want to buy from you again. So that's a great way just to build clientele and stuff like that through online. Also, if you are in person and let's say you don't want to do online, you're just meeting up in person through the garage sale pages and stuff like that, bring a card with you. Give them the shoes and stuff and be like, hey man, actually I resell shoes and or I restore shoes, whatever. Here's my card or whatever. You ever need anything, hit me up. You can always do that too. And a lot of these big time resellers and everything, they're going to tell you it's all about connections and networking and just getting your name out there. So business cards is a great way to do it. It's inexpensive. And especially if you're serious about reselling, stuff like that, I highly recommend that you get that. Now, with that being said, guys, I really don't have much else I wanted to talk about on this video. It's really basic, just about, shipping stuff and just reselling in general. That's really all I want to talk about. Now, I did want to let you guys know in the future, I am going to be doing a lot more videos. Last week, I had a bunch of questions come in from you guys that I do want to answer in a video. Majority of them had to do with the icebox because I'm noticing you guys love the icebox and you just want to, make an icebox and make sure everything works good. So with that being said, I definitely want to do another video on that, answering more questions about the icebox. Also, I have another upcoming video probably in the next week or two that is going to be about, I'm going to build the ultimate icebox as cheap as I can make it, but an ultimate icebox that's not just a cardboard box, and I'm going to see what I can do with it. Now, with that being said, I'm going to make it and show you guys how to make it. However, I'm also going to be making some on the side, so if you guys want one, you can let me know and I can maybe put you on a list or something like that, and then you guys can get one from me, and I can ship it to you. I'm not going to be making a whole lot, so it's kind of like first come, first serve, but I'm trying to make a really sturdy icebox that's easy to set up and yeah, you guys can have. So, with that being said, that's really all I got. Last thing, I have probably 2 pairs of shoes coming in, so I'm going to be doing some more videos soon with, restoring the shoes. So, wait on those. And, yeah, that's really it, guys. So, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or video suggestions, please put it in the comments down below. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button. And lastly, if you enjoy this channel and you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to hit the push notification button so you never miss an upcoming video. So Scotty Restores Kicks. And do you want to be icy? Well, it starts in the soul. I'm going to see you next time.